You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know it's confusing. Correctly. Once and for all, the correct pronunciation. Two different ones, I'm afraid. The British English pronunciation is as paleontology, with a pa sound. I know the A-E-O is confusing, but it's just an E sound, alright? So that's actually, it is very confusing, but it's paleontology. In American English, it's so pronounced as paleontology, so both pronunciations are used and correct. Paleontology or paleontology, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.